hour ago. That nigga land like the sun on the road. And when he woke this morning, he ain't imagine that. And when he left the house, he got him be wrapped up for the plan. Too many drinks, had him feeling like he's Superman. Pushing through the crowd, talking out loud and reckless. But ain't too many books down here. Street running too. I'm a gangsta, gangsta. Y-T-A-N-T-S-T. I'm the leader of the outlaws. Make a city crown, big part for the crew. Now we feel like we still kicking how we live. Stay up in the club. Work, move, bring wheel. That's the work, move, bring wheel. That's the work, move, bring wheel. Fuck this. Playing up a black plate, hand on the brain, while swinging on the one way. If I was every day, I see it'll be a fun day. I might as well stay up all night, trying to see what the fuck's up. My city, all this bitch, niggas, listen, got the king range that'll make you put your fuck up. Nothing like my nigga, man. Left it on top of my phone. Trying to top of my game, and then on top of these hoes. We got your own these kids out here. If I gotta do this alone, fucking that's what's up. They said somebody at the chapter, you gon' see who's your real friends. No, I'm rolling the coupe. What? I know the swung is wide. At the same damn time. At the same damn time. Say it. Shit that never snaps in a single file line. What? Pocket full of.
They had to wait like 2 weeks before they could move into that house or something like that.
Nah, they got it. It's like, it's all them niggas living in there, hole.